OtO Smart Sprinkler just came in. Saw this online, had to try it out because I've been struggling with watering my grass. Let's see what we got here. Got the quick start guide, the bracket accessories right here on the top. Oh man, look at this thing. Wow, pretty cool. It's got a little bracket, mounts real easily. Let's check this thing out. So, it's got a solar panel here, but I noticed there's a little latch here for those that don't live in California, in case you get cloudy weather. Got the plug. So that's in there. Yeah. You can literally put it anywhere. There's two things you have to keep in mind. You have to keep solar power and line of sight. The little nozzle on the front goes 360, so you can put it in the middle of the grass if you want, but I have a 3-year-old daughter. I don't want her tripping on it. So you have this little bracket here. You want to put it in the ground. And then there's these little accessories. Comes with some bolts if you want to mount it to a fence or something. So you screw these in here. And then you just pop it into place. And that's it. I have a 3/4 inch brass fitted hose because I want to make sure that OtO can reach as far as possible. All done. So I downloaded the app, I connected it to Wi-Fi, I named it, and now I'm going to set the zones. Come on, Mariner, work with me. Got to trim the bushes. All right, so for the past couple weeks, I've been working really hard on clearing out the old grass, and I just finished sprinkling some seed on. The next thing I'm gonna do is cover it with another layer of dirt, and then we're gonna put the OtO to work 2 times a day, morning and night, and then we should be good. So I'm gonna go into my OtO app here. The backyard area is the one I'm focused on. I'm actually gonna create a duplicate zone here to double down on my water. And then when you have enough growth and you know it's good, you can go back here and just delete that zone. So I've been using the OtO for a few weeks now. It's super easy. I haven't had to lift a finger. Back in the app, one of the main features is you could set different zones. I used area zone for the lawn, this whole grassy section right here. Line zone is great if you've got hedges or plants along the edges of your yard. And spot zone, perfect for targeting the base of trees or individual shrubs. Check this out. I'm gonna water the base of the tree exactly where it needs to go. You can also control how much water you put on each spot by the gallon. If it's super windy or rainy, it automatically adjusts the schedule. I was away last week and it did it for me. My wife loves the grass and she loves the results this thing is providing. Take a look at this grass.